what you can do, just simply go for your Google Chrome browser, and then here you just need to search for FDM Extension. So if you click on that, and then here you will get this first website called Chrome Web Store. So if you click on Free Download Manager or FDM, if you click on that, then you'll get this extension over here. You can see that the FDM extension is already connected with my Google Chrome, but it's not enabled. If you facing this into your computer, just simply click on enable now. FDM extension will be enabled. That if your computer showing this free download manager to add to Chrome, just simply click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and after a little bit of time you will get the FDM extension over here. You can see this is how you can add free download manager or FDM extension into your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.